Morning everyone. I'm going to do the MORO reflex again today and talk through a few more benefits of it. I'm sort of feeling like I need it again at the moment. I feel like this year has probably potentially messed with my MORO because it's why I'm needing to keep on re-upping my energy and my spirit and my conscious thinking on a very, 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 very regular basis. So this is another way to do that, because every time we're doing it, we're connecting the subconscious brain to the conscious brain. So, but today what I'm going to do is focus on how the stress messes with the immune system and the gut. So that's my intention today. I'm going to do it twice, and I'm going to sort of see how my body feels doing it twice, because the first time the other day was the first time in quite some time. So I'm going to do it side on today, so you see the position. I'll try to suck my tummy in, and obviously it gives a good third chin. But this is what happens when we do weird little exercises. So right foot on top of the left, right arm on top of the left, and you start off in that little position with the chin up. Eyes closed or eyes open, whatever feels right to you. For visualization purposes, I prefer eyes closed, but that's just me. So you very, very slowly open out your arms and your legs. Now, one of the things that happens when we're running in survival, because that's what the MORO reflex is, it's a survival reflex, it's a primitive reflex, it's stuck in the unconscious part of the brain. It can shut down your immune system, it can make you more likely to get sick. Once you come out to the side, hold for a few seconds, and then slowly start coming back in again. I can really feel my neck today. So when our MORO is active, it can mess with our immune system. It can make us much more likely to get sick, much more likely to get allergies, much more likely to have issues with environment and foods and all sorts of things. So the immune system side of it, when so many people, when they get stressed, they get sick. And I've had people over the years who know that anything, their allergies or their gut or their ability to cope with life disappears when they're stressed. So once again, this is something else that we can throw on into our repertoire to help to keep us up and running, because every time we do this exercise, we're connecting the conscious and the unconscious part of the brain. Sorry, I needed to rest there for a second. So once again, right leg on top, right arm on top. And I'm going to actually rest my head this time. I didn't the first time. I kept it upright, but now I'll lift it again to come back in again. My legs are starting to shake. And bring it back in. And just relaxing. So I was just feeling where I was feeling the burn there at the end, and I was feeling it in the abdomen and the neck. So, and funnily enough, it was the front of the neck, not the rear of the neck. So you've seen in the kinesiology processes that when the MORO or the survival patterns are up and running at the rear of the brain, quite often the front neck muscles don't work properly. So you can activate the rear neck muscles and then check the front, and they can unlock. So the same thing can happen with this. So interesting that I was just feeling the burn in the front of my neck, not really feeling anything at the back. So give it a try. Let me know how you feel. And if you don't forget, if you're feeling a bit anxious or upset or anything afterwards, run your central meridian. So increase that energy to the conscious brain. And then you can also do your celestial circuit by hands on the base chakra, tongue on the roof of the mouth. And just feel yourself come back to your center. And the other one is hand on the navel, rub the kidney 27, so left, right, underneath the collarbones. That helps to connect the left and right sides of the brain. Hand on the navel, rub the top and bottom of your lips. That helps to connect the top and bottom of your brain. You can do these anytime you're feeling stressed. And then hold the navel and rub the tailbone. Okay, so that's our second MORO reflex. I'm going to keep on trying over this 6 weeks of high energy. That's my intention. And I'm hoping to get some stronger abdominals out of it. And we'll see how we go. Let me know how you're going. Have a great day.